Storm's Tech channel here, and today I'm being video with the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra for Beast Mobile. So the Galaxy S23 Ultra is now here at Beast Mobile for $1199.99. This is the 256GB version. It is available in a phantom black color. So if you guys like the Galaxy Note series, the Galaxy S23 Ultra is the phone for you. So yeah. So there is the Galaxy S23 Ultra. You guys got the hole punch with your front facing camera. That earpiece above that. Power and volume keys on the right side of the phone. There, of course, the S Pen, of course. Back of the Galaxy S23 Ultra is your quad camera setup, including 2 telephoto camera lenses, camera flash, Samsung logo there. Very nice. The left side has nothing. Keep in mind there that you do have a bit of a camera bump down the back. The right side power button volume keys, like I said, alright. It says her S series has a legacy of pushing the boundaries of what a smartphone can do, and with Galaxy S23 Ultra we have raised that bar once again. So quick specs on the phone: 6.8-inch display, 200 megapixel main camera on the rear, 45 hours of talk time, Android 13 with One UI 5.1. How's it work? Order today, wait for your friend to arrive, pick it, plan, and activate online. Features. So that is the Galaxy S23 Ultra right there. It looks like the Galaxy S22 Ultra from last year, except for like better features and slightly better internals and stuff like that. So very cool there. It says capture the night, evening, and low light. Make it at night to remember with stunning night photography. Night mode lets you capture brilliant selfies no matter the lighting. Pretty cool there. Steady video, incredibly easy. Take gorgeous smooth videos and capture all the action even during life's most exciting moments. Write the text. So the S Pen has a lot of features with it, so take advantage of that. Crank up the performance. Unlock smooth gaming and play at full throttle with their fastest processor ever and impressive built-in storage. There's the Galaxy S23 series right there, comparing the 3 phones side by side. Share the epic, enhance your day-to-day with a device that's anything but ordinary. So what Galaxy do you want? Y'all guys can compare the Galaxy devices to see which one is right for you. So that is very cool. Your Galaxy, your way. Galaxy devices gives you more ways to connect and the freedom to make your experience exactly how you want it. Stay in touch with those who matter most with Google Meet. Meet is a free and easy way to make high quality video calls across devices. Making a move to Galaxy is easy. Bring everything you love on your Galaxy journey with Smart Switch. Keep all your photos, calendar, dates, alarms, and even your call history. We made switching as easy as possible so you can dive right in. So you guys can transfer everything from your old phone to your new Galaxy S23 Ultra, which is very nice. Specs: 5,000 mAh battery, 8 GB of RAM, 256 GB of storage. Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor, Android 13 with One UI 5.1. Cameras: 200 megapixel wide camera, 12 megapixel ultra wide, 2 10 megapixel telephoto camera lenses. One has a 3 times optical zoom. The other one has a 10 times optical zoom. 100 times space zoom. 12 megapixel front facing camera, 6.8-inch dynamic AMOLED 2 times Quad HD plus display, 120Hz adaptive refresh rate. Dimensions on the Galaxy S23 Ultra: 6.43 inches height, 3.7 inches width, and 0.35 inches depth. Your connectivity options include 5G LTE and Wi-Fi 6E support. So that's very nice there. What's included in the box is the Galaxy S23 Ultra, some ejection pin, Type-C to Type-C cable, quick start guide, terms and conditions. device support. Want to know everything there is to know about this phone? Learn everything from setting up your email to managing all of your games and applications. So yeah, so if you guys are looking to get a Galaxy Note, this is the phone for you. If you guys are a big fan of the Galaxy Note series, the Galaxy S23 Ultra is the phone for you because it has all the Galaxy Note features built in. It has the S Pen, it has all the Note features and all that. You know, it's definitely worth checking out. Very nice looking phone. It's my favorite line of smartphones, so check it out. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. If you let me out a lot, please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and we'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.